is a tropical storm that has had a hurricane watch in Puerto Rico. It's dumping a lot of rain and is forecasted to become a major hurricane. And the activity in Asia is high. Maria is dead. Sun 10th is about to die, but still a tropical depression. Umpil is a severe tropical storm about to become a very strong typhoon. And Warkong, which is a tropical storm, which is a tropical depression, turning into a tropical storm, but it's gonna eventually weaken. For India, there's nothing, just a lot of showers and thunderstorms. And for Africa, there's just a lot of tropical waves. And so there's a cold front and jet stream around Bermuda, and lots of showers and thunderstorms. One area of interest in the Eastern Pacific, 30%, and a lot of rain. And they have this spinny thing, and there's a lot of these spinny things on that you probably never realize unless you got to Google Earth satellite imagery or any satellite imagery. They'll show you these spinny things over here down in Antarctica. Goodbye. Hope you have a great day.